To knit these little hair bows, I worked with Caron Latte Cakes. You can use any size yarn and any size knitting needles. This is a fine yarn, so I used size 4mm knitting needles. For straight edge and knitting, slip the first stitch onto the right needle without knitting it. Then work across the row. On a purl row, do exactly the same thing. Slip the first stitch off of the needle without working it. And then continue to purl across the row. I cast on 8 stitches and I knit for approximately 5.5 inches. When you have your section worked, fold it in half like this. Thread one of your yarn ends into a yarn needle and sew the two ends together. Then fold it so that your seam is in the center. Take your long yarn end and wrap it around. And that will cover the seam. Thread the yarn into a needle and sew it back and forth underneath where you have wound the yarn. Now you can open up one of these hair clips and pass this top section underneath the yarn. And there you go. It's ready to wear. And you'll find the written pattern below this video in the first comment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.